Hello students, today we will learn how to find nth term of an AP. Nth word is used for any number, like simply we are saying fifth, sixth, seventh. So nth, n value can be any one which we according to the sum it is given, this term we have to find. So it is known as nth term of the AP. And to understand it, let us take an example. Suppose an AP is given to us 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. We know first term A1, yeah, A we can say that is our 2. Second term 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8. And every term we can see that is every next term how we have found, we have added 2 in the previous term and then we have found the next term. Okay? And if now I ask you what is fifth term of this AP, simply you can tell 2 more you will add, you will tell 10 aayegi. If seventh term I am saying, then 2 times more 2 you will add, 10 and 2 12, 12 and 2 14, 7th aa gaya. But what if I ask you what is 20th term, what is 100th term, what is 500th term? So is it possible, or we can say is it practical to find the every term in this way, that adding 2 and 2 you can find 100 term? No, it is not easier and it is very much time consuming and it is also not practical. It is not the way ki 2 you will add and then you will find whatever term we have to find. So to get rid of this problem, there is one formula to find the nth term of AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? 4 terms are there. First is an, मतलब nth term ना, like पहले देखो ऊपर we have written a, when a2 is written that is second term, a के पैर में 3 है that is third term, 4 है fourth term, तो a के पैर में n है now that it means nth term, a first term, n number of terms, d common difference. So there are 4 terms in this formula and you should know very well, and you also know that in a formula any term can be missing. Okay, like here 4 terms hai, so any 3 can be given to us and fourth we have to tell. It जरूरी नहीं है कि it is formula of nth term, then only nth term we can find. We can find first term using this formula. Condition is other all should be given to us. We can find common difference when other all things are given. Clear? समझ आया ना? Like in earlier classes, simple interest formula we are doing principal into rate into time upon 100. तो ये नहीं है कि only we can find simple interest using that formula. We can tell principal also if other all given are, if other all are given. Rate also we can find, time also we can tell. ठीक है, तो एक ही formula से different formulas we can make and different values we can find. Other all values should be given. So like take an example we have taken 2 4 6 8, इसी पे check कर लेते हैं. Like suppose we want to find 7th term, we know very well 7th term 14 है, you can see here I have written also, but we will find using this formula. एक बार formula से try करके देखेंगे कि whether it is correct or not. So a is 2, a क्या है फर्स्ट टर्म, a हमारा 2 हो गया. d कितना है, d सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म दैट इज 4 minus 2, d is also 2. n मान लो सपोज 7, सेवन्थ टर्म वी वांट टू फाइंड. फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे अगेन an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज दैट वी नो. a n के पैर में n वैल्यू इज 7, सो a 7, a is 2, n is 7 minus 1, d वैल्यू आ गई 2. a 7 आ गया 2 plus 7 minus 1 will become 6, 6 into 2 12, 2 and 12 14. ठीक है, तो in maths as you know all things are interlinked. Here also Bodmer's formula is also used. Like in third step you can see 2 plus 6 into 2. So if firstly you will add 2 and 6, then it will become 8 and 8 into 2 16 आ जाएगा. That will be wrong. ठीक है, because according to the Bodmer's firstly multiplication होएगी before addition. Addition and multiplication we have to do. तो before addition we have to do multiplication पहले आएगी. सो मल्टीप्लाई पहले किया 6 into 2 12, 12 into 14, 7th टर्म आ गई 14. क्लियर? समझ आ गया? तो हमने वी कैन सी ऑल्सो कि ये 7 14 यहाँ या इट वॉज 14. तो इट मीन्स दिस फॉर्मूला इज करेक्ट एंड वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द nth term of an AP. Now come to the exercise, like question number exercise 5.2 question number first देखो. Here also as I have told you कि 4 terms are there in the formula A, D, N and AN. Any 3 can be given to us and fourth we have to find. You can see randomly in all parts they have missed any one. कोई भी एक मिस कर रखी है. Like in first AN is missed, in second D is missing, in third part A is missing, in fourth part N is missing. ठीक है? तो फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन टेल एनी अदर वैल्यू. Like one I have done for you. In second part of the first question, A is given -18, N is given 10, AN is given 0 and D we have to tell. ठीक है? तो अगेन वी विल राइट फॉर्मूला जरूर लिखना है. जितनी टाइम्स अगेन एंड अगेन यू विल राइट, यू विल रिमेंबर इट इजी. ना याद रखना ईजी हो जाएगा एंड यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट इट. सो ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज वट वी नो. ए एन एन एंड ए वैल्यूज वी विल पुट डी की जगह डी, बिकॉज डी वैल्यू वी डोंट नो. नाउ सॉल्व करो. -18 व्हेन वी विल टेक इट टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट विल बिकम +18. 0 + 18 हो गया. 10 - 1 9, 9d. 0 + 18 हो गया 18. 18 इज इक्वल टू 90. सो दैट इज 18 डिवाइड बाई 9. 9 विल गो इन डिवाइड ऑफ 18. 18 डिवाइड बाई 9 कितना आ गया? 2. तो d की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 2. इन दिस वे d वैल्यू कैन ऑल्सो बी फाउंड विद दिस फॉर्मूला. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज चूज द करेक्ट चॉइस इन द फॉलोइंग. लाइक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 30th टर्म ऑफ द AP वी हैव टू टेल. AP is 10 7 4. So in first sum of this exercise, as we have seen, that time A value, N value, D value they have given us separately. मतलब करके दे रहे, they have told us कि this is A, this is D. But now in this sum, that also we have to see what is A in this sum, what is D in this sum, what is N, what we have to find and how we have to find. All things we have to do. So like sum is 30th term of this AP we have to tell. So in AP we can see firstly 10 is written, so that is our first term. A हो गया 10. D A2 - A1 that is 7 - 10. D हो गया हमारा -3. 7 - 10 is -3. And they have said us 30th term find करो. फॉर्मूला किसका है? nth का. We have to find 30th. That means n is 30. Clear? n की जगह 30 they are saying, so n value is 30 and a 30 we have to tell. 30th term का मतलब क्या है? a 30 we have to tell. Again formula we will write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values a of a, d and an. These values are given. in solve कर देंगे. 30 - 1 29. 29 की -3 से मल्टीप्लाई -87. 10 - 87 -77. तो 30th term कितनी आ गई? -77. and we can see it is a C option of second of the first part. C option है, तो that will be our answer. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया C पर. Clear? So I hope you understand very well the concept of nth term of an AP. Thank you.